Fasten Tools in English, Mastering the Usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fasten tools, and how it's used in English. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, this video will help you understand and use this phrase confidently. The phrase, fasten tools, is a combination of two words, fasten and tools. Fasten is a verb meaning to securely attach or connect something, while tools are instruments used to carry out a specific function, often in repairs or construction. When we say, fasten tools, we're generally talking about securely attaching or preparing tools for use or storage. This phrase is common in contexts involving manual work, safety, and organization. Let's see how fasten tools is used in sentences. 1. Before starting work, ensure to fasten tools to your belt for easy access. 2. To maintain safety, fasten tools securely when not in use. These examples show how the phrase can be used to convey the importance of safety and readiness in a working environment. Understanding related phrases can help deepen your comprehension. Here are a few. Secure equipment, similar to fasten tools, emphasizing safety and readiness. Tool maintenance, the process of keeping tools in good condition, which may involve fastening them properly after use. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, fasten tools, and how it's used in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using this phrase in your conversations or writings to master its usage. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.